Hello and welcome to the 8th match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's the number 22 seed Naggo Primary from St. Catherine up against Spanish Town Primary, also from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. So we had the coin toss earlier. Naggo won, but decided to have Spanish Town go first. This section is 4 minutes. We'll ask each team questions alternately. They'll gain 1 point for each correct answer, and they'll have 10 seconds in which to answer. Let's start off with Bible knowledge. Spanish Town. In which town did Jesus grow up after returning from Egypt?
Nazareth.
Correct. Naggo, what is the collective name of the stories Jesus told?
Parables. Parables.
Correct. Spanish Town. Science. How many incisors does the average human have?
8. 8.
Correct. Naggo, how many canines does the average human have?
4. 4.
Correct. Local affairs. It's a visual. Spanish Town. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Audley Shaw. Audley Shaw.
Correct. Naggo, do the same. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dr. Christopher Tufton.
Correct. English language. Spanish Town. Spell chivalrous.
Chivarous. Chivalrous.
Incorrect. Chivalrous. Naggo, spell gigantic.
Gigantic. Gigantic.
Correct. We move on to television. It's a visual. Spanish Town. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Angelica Golby.
Incorrect. It's Angelina Jolie. Naggo, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Christine Bell.
Incorrect. It's Jennifer Aniston. General knowledge. Spanish Town. David Granger is the president of which Caribbean country?
Guyana.
Correct. Naggo, Frondell Stewart is the prime minister of which Caribbean country?
Barbados.
Correct. Social studies. Spanish Town. What is the name of the path along which a planet moves?
Orbit. Orbit.
Correct. Naggo, which planet has the most moons?
Jupiter. Jupiter.
Correct. Music for Spanish Town. Which young male Canadian-born sensation released the single As Long As You Love Me?
Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber.
Correct. Naggo, which young female American sensation released the single Bad Blood?
Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift.
Correct. Mathematics for Spanish Town. What are the two prime numbers between 97 and 107?
The answer to that question would be 93 and 106.
Incorrect. It's 101 and 103. Naggo, what are the three prime numbers between 79 and 101?
83,
89, and 97.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual question. Spanish Town. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican athlete.
Elaine Thompson. Elaine Thompson.
Correct. Naggo, look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican athlete.
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Spanish Town. Which Jamaican high school uses the motto, the utmost for the highest?
Calabar High School.
Calabar High School.
Correct. Naggo, which Jamaican high school uses the motto, work is burning in the field?
Kingston College. Kingston College.
Incorrect. It's the other one, Jamaica College. We move on to sports again for Spanish Town. Which city will host the Summer Olympics in 2020?
Tokyo. Tokyo.
Correct. Naggo Head, how often are the IAAF World Championships held?
Every 4 years. Every 4 years.
Incorrect, it's every 2 years. And that's the bell. At the end of section 1, we have a tie. We have Spanish Town and Naggo Head Primary both on 9. We're going to go for a break, but listen up for the friendly tip from NCB before we go. Do not wander off with strangers on your way home from school. Take the transportation which you have discussed with your parents or guardians and refuse all offers for help with a ride home. When we come back, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.